All right, hello everyone. So my name is Chantal Erkenbrack, and this is my website. It's for my photography business that I run called Chantal E Photo and Design. And so basically, of course, the purpose of my website, right, is to promote my business, showcase my work, and help show show potential clients and everything that I offer as a photographer and creative. And so this is my homepage right here. It's extremely simple, and that's honestly why I love it so much because there are no distractions. So first thing that you're gonna pull up is this right here. You scroll down. There's a nice inviting message. It says hello, welcome, right? Let's create something. And basically, as you can see, I obviously focus with couples. I do mostly weddings and engagements. And that is showcased here on my website. So a lot of these tabs are for my other classes, but for this practicum specifically, I did the home page, this weddings tab, which is geared towards folks looking for a potential wedding photographer. And basically what I like to do is I don't like to be like, hey, here's how much I charge, here's my pictures, whatnot. I want my clients to build a connection with me. I want to become their BFF. And so basically through this right here, I tell them what's a priority to me and why I would be a good fit for them. I also showcase some of my previous work with previous clients and everything right here. So that's for the folks that are looking for a wedding photographer. As far as just engagements or just couple shoots go, those folks can go here. And on this one, basically, I just kind of say, hey, this is why you want to work with me. This is what makes me different. And again, I showcase different people, different environments. I mean, I have a certain style, as you can probably tell from my pictures here, and this is the wedding was. I do have a certain style, and I want my potential clients to be able to see that. One of the things that I was able to learn the most while doing this website is that Divi is not that bad. I personally thought I was more comfortable with coding, but as I've come to better understand Divi and the purpose behind it, it's actually not too bad. And so that's probably one of the biggest things I've learned. As far as one of the hardest challenges I've had was probably designing my website to not look like everyone else's. I wanted something that would represent me and my work, and I didn't want to just do the typical cookie cutter website or whatever. And so this is exactly what I wanted to do on my website. And it was hard because I had to figure out that the backgrounds here, the pictures that I put here, the images, these are the backgrounds. So technically, I had to build it as a background and place text over it. And so that was a really hard challenge for me, but I was able to figure it out, and I'm super pleased with my website, and I hope I was able to explain it and give you guys a good show around. Thanks.